What's going on, home chefs? Today's episode, we have a classic steakhouse sauce, Bordelaise sauce. Bordelaise sauce has been many restaurants' go-to sauce for steaks for years. I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to make this at home. Like always, let's get the prep work out the way. Dice 1 large shallot. Make sure you mince the shallot into small pieces. Add 2 cups of beef stock to a bowl. On top of that, add 2.5 teaspoons of unflavored gelatin. Let the gelatin sit for a few minutes, then stir into the stock. In a small saucepan, add 3/4 cups of dry red wine and add the shallots and some fresh thyme. Bring to a boil and cook the wine until it's reduced by half. This will help concentrate the wine flavor. This should take 5 to 6 minutes. Once the wine is reduced, add the stock. Bring the stock to a boil, then lower the heat. Simmer the stock on low for 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, your sauce should be thick enough to coat the back of a spoon. Off the heat and add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Strain the sauce through a sieve and add salt and pepper. The sauce will keep for 5 days in the refrigerator. Enjoy!